Kubikwa ukuthi inhlangano yezitimela zabagibeli iPrasa yachitha izizumbulu zemali yabakhokhindela kathi inikeza amathenda izinkampani eyabe izosebenzisana nazo. Le mali yasetshenziswa ngendlela engafanele. uFrancois Botha nobesebenza njengomunye wabameli ePrasa uthe uMakhubele nowayeyisikhulu esiphezulu sebhodi lakwaPrasa wamfonela wamcela ukuthi azosebenza naye. Uthi wamtshela ukuthi uqokwe ngowabe engumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma kulesi sikhundla ukuba ezokhuculula umonakalo owenzeke ePrasa.
She said to me that she was appointed as the chairperson of the interim board by the former president who deployed her there. And I asked her, but for what reason? And she said to me unequivocally and in no uncertain terms, to sort out the mess at Prasa and to clean up. Those were her words.
uBotha uqhuba uthi wambuza uMakhubele ukuthi iPrasa inabo abameli esebenzisana nabo kungani efuna ukuthi naye abe yingxenye yale nkampani.
Prasa is represented by senior counsel and junior counsel. Why are you phoning me? And she said to me, I don't trust the internal legal department of Prasa. I don't trust what is being conveyed to me. The attorneys, she used the word, is captured, and she feels that she's been undermined.
Isicelo siyaqhubeka kanti okusalindeleke ukuthi bethule ubufakazi namhlanje uKaren de Beer, uLouis Green kanye noNicholas Johannes abasebenza ukuthengisa izindlu.